In business terms, cash refers to the money that a business has to hand in order to pay bills and other day-to-day business costs. This available cash might include actual coins and notes, but it also refers to money that exists in current accounts and short-term deposits. Basically, it refers to money that is accessible. Cash is the oxygen that enables a business to survive and prosper, and is the primary indicator of business health. If we're talking about a business with good cash flow, we mean that a healthy balance has been struck between money coming in, or cash inflow, and money going out, or cash outflow. Cash inflow could include sales income, loans, or interest received. Cash outflows could be purchases of stock, wages, rent, or other similar costs. Some of the outflow costs will be monthly, some will be quarterly or annually, and some will be one-offs. Very often, cash will be needed to buy stock, pay rent, wages and other expenses long before goods are invoiced and even longer before payment is received. The difference in timing is the main difference between a cash flow forecast and a profit and loss forecast. A business with good cash flow will have sufficient working capital to cover the period between paying for goods and services and getting paid by customers. It will also be prepared with cash reserves and overdraft facilities in the event that there may be an unexpected cash shortfall at any time. Perhaps a one-off payment needs addressing, or perhaps a major customer hasn't paid an invoice on time. Whatever the reason, if they have a cash balance or cash in reserve, then their cash can continue to flow. Since cash flow is not directly related to the profit you make, you may be able to predict a good profit for the year, yet still face times when you are strapped for cash. Planning ahead is the best way to ensure that the business does not run out of cash. And the most effective way to do this is to create a cash flow forecast. As the name suggests, a cash flow forecast aims to predict the financial climate of your business. That means you can protect yourself when economic conditions are tough, and you can make best use of your cash when they are better. It's no surprise that businesses run by people who think ahead and plan financially for the future are generally more successful than those that aren't. Businesses in profit can still fail if they run out of cash and can't pay their bills. This is why you need a cash flow forecast, as well as a profit and loss forecast. This is an example of a cash flow forecast. It shows how much money is coming into and out of the business month by month. A forecast doesn't have to be monthly. It can be weekly if you need it to be. It depends on the needs of the business. The cash flow forecast has 2 columns for each month. This enables you to measure your actual figures against your forecast figures. As you can see on the forecast here, the discrepancy between these 2 figures suggests there is an issue. The issue might turn into a cash flow problem if not addressed. A cash flow forecast also shows where the income is coming from and what the money is being spent on, as you can see here. Usefully, and sometimes crucially, a cash flow forecast highlights where there is likely to be a shortfall or surplus of income compared with expenditure every month. This means you can plan borrowing if you need to. Most lenders will ask to see a cash flow forecast like this before they agree to loan you money. In essence, a cash flow forecast acts as a warning system. It helps avoid financial problems in the first place, allows you to locate potential trouble spots, and gives you a clear view of the conditions ahead. Forecasts are easy to draw up and well worth the time and effort. Make your own life easier by keeping on top of your admin and keeping your records and forecasts organized and up to date, as you will need to regularly update your facts and figures to give you the information on how to manage your business. There are also plenty of resources available to you on our website, so make the most of them and get started with forecasting the future of your business. Remember, your cash flow is the oxygen that enables your business to survive. So take care of it, and it will help your business to stay healthy and prosper. Don't let it be the end of you.